In the wild, few creatures evoke such awe and respect as the bear. A symbol of strength, resilience, and raw power, bears rule the forests, mountains, and even the icy landscapes of the Arctic. But behind their mighty exterior lies a creature of incredible intelligence and adaptability. The grizzly bear, one of the most iconic and fearsome of all bear species, thrives in the dense forests of North America, with claws that can tear through bark and muscles capable of felling trees. The grizzly is a force to be reckoned with. But despite its intimidating appearance, it is a master of balance, carefully navigating its environment in search of food, shelter, and survival. While the grizzly reigns supreme, the black bear, smaller but equally skilled, roams the forests of North America. Watch as this agile climber scales trees effortlessly, showing its remarkable versatility. Black bears are omnivores, feasting on everything from berries to fish and even insects. In the frigid expanse of the Arctic, the polar bear reigns as the undisputed king of the cold. With paws designed for swimming and fur that insulates against freezing temperatures, the polar bear is perfectly suited for life in one of Earth's harshest environments. Here, it hunts seals, using its keen sense of smell to track prey under miles of ice. But not all bears live solitary lives. Cubs rely on their mothers for survival in the early years, learning vital skills such as hunting and foraging. The bond between mother and cub is strong, a foundation for survival in the wild. Bears are more than just hunters. They are keystone species, shaping the ecosystems they inhabit. Their behaviors, digging for roots, foraging for berries, and even scratching trees, help maintain the delicate balance of their environment. Bears influence plant growth, soil structure, and even the movement of other species. In the wild, bears are often viewed as symbols of power. Yet, they are also creatures of patience and strategy. Whether fishing in a stream, navigating dense forests, or enduring harsh winters in hibernation, bears demonstrate an unparalleled ability to adapt to their environment. As the seasons change, so too does the bear. Emerging from hibernation, a time of rest and survival, they face a new cycle of challenges. The struggle for food, the fight for territory, and the need to protect their young are ever present. But through it all, the bear remains a symbol of strength and endurance, perfectly in tune with the rhythms of the natural world. The mighty bear, an apex predator, a master of its domain, and a true survivor of the wild. Its power is matched only by its wisdom. In every step it takes, the bear reminds us of the strength and resilience required to thrive in the untamed wilderness. And in this ever-changing world, the legacy of the bear lives on.